Little frog by the pond so green, looking at the cloudy scene. Wind blows softly, leaves go swish, rain is coming, splashy wish. Drip drop rain begins to fall, tiny puddles form for all. Froggy smiles big and wide, jumping, splashing side to side. Jump, jump in the puddle now, splashing water, wow, oh wow. Raindrops dancing on the ground, happy froggy jumping around. Rain slows down and clouds go away, sun comes out to end the day. Rainbow shining big and bright, frog says what a happy sight. Jumping